what we have to do first, we have to do row subtraction. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. Let's do row subtraction. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, row subtraction. See here, what is the minimum value? Is a 3 minus, deduct this row, 3 3 0, 7 minus 3 4, this is 4 minus 3 1, 7 minus 3 4, 3 3 0, and this is 11. Now the second row, this is the second row. Minimum value is 1, so this is 6 3 0 1 1 13. Okay, for the third row, this is the third row. Third row minimum value is 0, so takes this row as it is. Now go for fourth row. Fourth row, here is the fourth row, minimum value is 3. So 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 3 4, this is 3, this is 2, 1 and 11. Now E1, it has 0 minimum, so the row will be same, 0 6 1 0 2 14. Now minimum value is 1, so this should be 4. This is 1, just here. The fifth row, five minus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2, this is 0, this is 11, 13, not 11. Okay, this is the row subtraction. Okay, now let's see, this column doesn't have 0 and the final column doesn't have 0, so make a column subtraction. Okay, this column has minimum 0, so this column will be appeared exactly. Zero 6 2 0 0 4, but this column has minimum 1, so this is 3 2 1 3 5 0. This column has a minimum 0, so the remaining values are same, all the values, because any number cannot, 0 cannot be deducted from any number. Now these values are, or this column also has 0, so it takes as it is. This column has also 0, fifth one, so take all the values as it is. And sixth column has minimum values 11, so 11 means it is 0, 13 minus 11 12, or 2, 14 minus 11 3, 11 minus 11 0, this one, 14 minus 11 3, 13 minus 11 2. Now assign the zeros. First, row wise, it has 3 zeros, can't take, only 1 0 we want in a row, it has single 0, to assign this one. Any other zeros in row and column? No zeros. And next, this one also has a single 0, Here is the 0. Deduct this one. Wait a minute. Here is a 0, but by mistake I did, I think. Let's check it, the row 1. Minimum value is 1. Okay, just mistake. So 2 zeros, so don't take this one. This row has a 2 zeros. Okay, so leave this one. This row also has a 2 zeros. This row has only 1 0, so take this one. Okay, 3 zeros we need not take. This is a 1 0. Okay, again we don't have any zeros. Here it is a 2 zeros, it's not possible to take. Here it is a 2 zeros, it's not possible to take, and it's a 0 remains because we didn't take. So sorry, this is 2 0 is the same. Okay, this is 0, this is 0. 2 0 we cannot take, 2 0 we cannot take. Go for column wise. This is a 3 0 we cannot take. This has a 2 0 we cannot take. This has a 0 is over. This has 2 0 we cannot take. 2 0 we cannot take. This is the 2 0 where we cannot take. Now go for column wise. Is there any 2 0 single 0? Okay, from the starting, let's see. So here we got the tie up because go for this is 3 0 row wise. This single 0 we got. Okay, this is the 2 0, so we cannot take. This is here 2 0. This here 2 0 we cannot take. Here 2 0 we cannot take. Column wise 3 0. This is also there. 3 0. This is 2 0. Here we have already taken. Here is a 2 0. Here is also 2 0. Here is also 2 0. I can go for a row wise column wise, means 1 0 we are not getting 1 0. Now let's start for the second 0. Okay, for the 2 0, 1 0 is over, left 1 0. Now let's go for second 2 zeros. So here is a 3 0 we should not take. Here is a single 0 we already taken. Here is a 2 0. So first 1 0 should be taken, second one should be negative. It should be cancel. If this one you have taken, means this one also by default it will cancel. Okay, now go for again 2 0. This one should be taken. If you're taking this one by default it will be cancel, and from the above this one also it will be cancel, and from the row this one also it will be cancel. Now go for here is a single row. Now 2 is over, we are getting single, means take the single one. Here also we are getting single, means take the single one. No need for go for double. Go for column wise. Should not go for column wise for okay double zeros. We can go for single 0 at a column wise. Okay, if this one we have taken, means this one I forget to cut. So go for column wise. There's only single 0 is left, so assign this one. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 easily. Okay, so easily we will get the answer. How now? Let's see what is the answer. This is the point which we have got. Okay, so lines also we will get easily, so no need directly. We have got the point. Let's see in the question. This is the question where we have got the points, this one, and second B3, this is the B, this is 3, third C2, this is C and this is 2, fourth T1, fourth D1, fifth E4, E4, sixth E5. So he travel everywhere. It's not traveling, it's assignment. So this is the way of assignment. So the cost of assignment is this is 0 plus 13 plus 13 plus 11 plus 14 plus 11, 13, 36, 36, 37, 47, 51, 61, 64. Total 64 is the cost of assignment. Okay, why I have taken from here? It should be in, because it's a profit problem, and it should be taken from the table, the main question table. We should have to take the answers for the assignment problem. This is the assignment problem for unbalanced matrix.